I'm Thomas Schermerhorn, and you're watching another drawing, illustrations, and art video. In this video, I want to talk about how you can draw. Before we get into this topic, I want to talk about the artwork in the background and thank you for watching the channel and reading the blog. This drawing is a part of a much bigger project called Man vs. Giant. This was a thumbnail that I was getting a little carried away with. Usually you do much smaller drawings for thumbnails and so forth, but I was like, what the heck? Let's have some fun with this. And it's blown up into this. Anyways, let's get into the topic of this video. You can draw. First things first, I want to apologize if this seems drawn out, but this happens a lot to me. I'm in Walmart doing my drawing thing when a random person comes up and says, "Man, I wish I could draw like that." I wish that I would say something, right, and throw my opinion out there, but I almost never say anything. I don't want to offend someone. This was an older guy. He had told me that he does these mechanical like drawings. I don't remember what he called them. He had a name for them. And it sounded like really cool and knowledge based type of things, right? Anyway, so like machines and stuff with probably gears and really complex types of things and so forth, right? Now, I'm not saying that any type of drawing or anything within the world is easy. I usually draw the human figure, and I don't see myself as someone who's amazing at it either, but I don't have to be. I just need to understand the basics, the basic shapes, and how they connect. For example, let's use the spine to find the pose, and then find the angles of the ribcage, torso, and pelvis, and so forth. Now connect them with each other. I like to make sure that I'm drawing in all 6 dimensions. What I mean by that is that each shape, right, if you go get a box, and you count the different sides, each shape has 6 sides, no matter what it is, right? Unless it's a sphere, but I sort of just round off a square with it, right? But like a sphere might have more sides if you wanted to get super technical. But I like to do this when I am drawing in this phase. And the reason for that is this ensures that I have 3 dimensions when shading and so forth, which I think is important, right? I think that's the first important thing. The other important thing with shading is you need at least a light, a dark, and a midtone, right? There are more shades in real life, right? There are more hues and more values, right? Hues being color and value being black and white and so forth, right? But I think that's one of the important things. The human figure makes itself seem difficult when looked at as a whole. And what I mean by this is beginners, and when I'm saying beginners, I'm talking about myself as someone who had started and didn't know anything about drawing and so forth. When you look at anything as a whole and you try and draw that, it's so much harder. It's so much easier if you break it up. So like the bones, the muscles, the flesh, right? And you can go even further, like the feet, the arms, the fingers, the hands, the face, the nose, the eyes, the mouth, right? When you break them down into this, the human figure seems less complex and less complicated. I have trouble drawing cities and machinery, and now that I think about it, I also have trouble drawing animals. Because there's so much more anatomy in those. but I think that anything is possible through understanding how things are connected, right? And how they form, how the shapes form. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe for more videos. Let me know of any topics I can cover, and tap that bell button to be notified of more videos. I will see you guys in the next one.